Well, the volume went from 25 up to 33, so 33 minus 25 is 8.0. So we have 48.0 grams over 8.0 milliliters equals 6.0 grams per milliliter, or centimeters cubed, either one is fine, okay? Now students in the other class said, whoa, wait a minute, sig figs, 3 and 3, but when I did 33.0 minus 25.0, that equals 6.0. I lost a sig fig.
Actually, 8.
Oh, 8, sorry. Ew. No. You lose a sig fig when you subtract, okay? So that's why you're down to 2. I said we weren't going to mix this stuff, so I'm not going to dwell on that, okay? So 6.0 grams per milliliter. Everybody sees mass over volume, okay? Now how else can you use this? Well, you can use this as, let's get to right here. Let's say I tell you you have an object that has a mass of 14.0 grams and a density of 2.7 grams per milliliter. Oops. What is the volume? So where do we start? 14.0 grams, right? What are we going to do next? What unit has to go on bottom in my next step? Grams has to go on bottom, right? So what am I going to write? 2.7 grams on bottom equals what? 1 milliliter. Grams cancel. I'm left with milliliters. Is milliliters a measure of volume? Yes. So 14 divided by 2.7. I know some of you may have learned that there's like a little density triangle thing. Whatever. I don't use that thing because I can do this. I just do it like a normal conversion, okay? You could also find the mass if you knew the volume and the density, right? Same problem. So what is this? 5.18. 5.2 milliliters. 2 sig figs, right? Density's measured. So 2 sig figs there. Okay? We're good? We're happy? We're all going to go home and work really hard on the homework that's due on Sunday? Yes? Quiz will open on Saturday. Okay? So there's a quiz that goes with chapter 2 as well.
There's going to be a separate link on that.
It's a separate link in Mastering. Yeah, you'll see it when you, it's not active yet for you guys. You can't see it yet. It'll pop up on Saturday when it becomes active, okay? It's due Tuesday night or something like that, I think. So you have a couple of days to do it, okay?
Is that once you open it, you finish it right there?
Yeah, the quiz is, once you open it, 60 minutes to do it. Okay? Fair enough? Have a wonderful weekend. I'll see some of you tomorrow.